2, 3, 4. Who do we think is a stupid, annoying bore? Spongy! Spongy!
Hey, I gotta borrow you for a sec.
Hey, woo! Flower, I was in the middle of my favorite game.
You mean flower power?
I hate that game. You always win.
Well, you guys never grow enough petals out of your head to win. Anyway, you're the first person to recognize my true beauty.
Finally, there's someone.
Flower's pretty beautiful.
I need you to start convincing your ignorant friends that I'm pretty.
Oh, Flower, I may have liked how you looked 2 months ago, but something about you just seems a little off today.
Schmidgely schmogily, we are out of time.
Hey.
Are you telling me that I'm ugly?
Exactly.
Why, I ought to crush you.
You suddenly look pretty again. Ugly. Beautiful. 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 Ugly. Beautiful.
2,000 years later.
Ugly. Beautiful. Ugly. Beautiful. Ugly. Beautiful.
Well, it does feel nice being called beautiful again.
Hideous. Nauseating. Marvelous. Appalling. Gross. Monstrous. Despicable. Gorgeous. Tacky. Trashy. Getting better. Almost passable.
Are you kidding me?
Atrocious. Fantastic. Sickening. Pathetic. Sloppy. Horrid. Messy. Fabulous. Hey, Match. Can we start playing Spongy Cake? Actually, while you were gone, I started analyzing our name-calling, verbal bashing, spongy bullying game, and, started playing it with Spongy.
Oh my god!
BFDI. Assemble or you will tremble.
I think I'd rather tremble.
Then assemble or you will...
Be dismembered?
You'll be dismembered.
Oh, well, I don't have any limbs, so I wouldn't mind dismemberment.
Assemble!
Quoi de mieux que ce...
Assemble or...
Hey, that doesn't rhyme.
I guess there's no arguing with that.
This blasphemous abomination of a drawing has led you here today.
Hey, I drew that. Be nice. You are a disgrace to the entire art community, and the entire world would rejoice if you never touched a piece of paper again.
Ever.
Hey, I wanted to say that.
I'd rather take the screech.
If you say so.
Oh yeah, I think teammates also fixed it, but who cares about... Let's pick up the pace. How many votes?
20,389 votes plus 13 votes on last episode.
Except the 7 safe contestants will receive a fortune cookie. The contestant with the most votes goes away.
Well, as long as elimination doesn't mean dying, then we're still successfully preventing death. And Bubble is dead!
And you received the fewest votes.
You're the first lowest voted person whose name doesn't start with a B.
Wait, you don't know? My legal name is actually... Be on my way to...
Pourquoi ne pas créer notre...
What's your fortune, Ben?
One should always hope that life will be full of happiness brought by Ice Cube.
Ben, that sure is a weird fortune, Ben.
Oh, yeah! Go, Icy. You're my idol? That's odd.
You're on.
Hey!
Yay!
get killed. Treemote? Also same.
Yes, I can't believe it, I save.
But Treemote is not on BFPS5WGTA6.
Ice Cube is the best print ever graced this universe. That's not true, it's battery.
I love Icy so much my bones hurt. For where did you get these so-called fortunes?
Dumpster.
Huh?
Contestants. Yes? You can fill those holes with cookie goodness.
That tickles!
Oh no, I'm in the bottom too? I said one pun 2 months ago, so voters should see me in a positive light.
Some days I survive, other days I don't. It's no big deal either way.
And the results are...
Bye, Lie.
Hey, I wanted to say that.
Well, if you don't like it, just screech me.
I'll do much worse.
No more screechy, please.
So, I'm safe?
Yeah.
Put down this fortune and listen to Lie. She's speaking now.
Everyone have 1 or 2 votes on episode 4, except for Lee. That's awesome.
Well, you guys obviously don't want me here. Remote, how many lives has this team saved?
2,763.
And how many am I responsible for?
2,753.
When I joined this team, I thought I could put my traumatic killing past behind me. So many of my hours and so much of my willpower was spent on saving instead of murdering. I thought you guys would support me, but I guess you won't. And if you won't, then what's the point in restraining myself?
Nah, she's done that before. Nah, she's done that before. Nah, she's done that before. What the f-
I don't like that. Could you suck her up?
Nah, if we're gonna smile real big.
Yeah! Does anybody even remember what Lie was a switch for?
I thought she was just a light switch.
Allons dans la forêt. Nous serons à l'abri des regards là-bas.
Whatever.
It's time.
Or give her a dose of the screech, will you please? Ugh.
No more screechy, please.
Hey, 4, where did X go? Today's contest is to fly your team's plane as long as possible. First team to hit the ground is up for elimination.
Whoa, this plane's made of paper? Not sure if that can support my weight.
Ready, set. How's the steering going?
There's no steering at all. This is actually just a paper plane.
That was painful.
Let's use Bomby to explode the other planes!
Gelatin! Bomby is still our friend! And the answer is still no!
I'll get us to soar above the others.
You're killing it, Lena!
No flying allowed!
Hey, do you think you can just disable Puffball instead of obliterating her?
Fine.
Oh! Thank you for piloting, Tafid. Yeah, real pro, everybody! Cloudy's doing just fine over here!
I don't know, Balloony. It looks like it's hurting him.
It's sarcasm.
Oh, right. I keep forgetting.
Ah, we're falling!
Oh, we are falling.
Those guys need to learn about weight distribution. Whoa! Sorry, my stapler instincts just took over.
To think it's a race!
Guys, aim for the cliff! We need to delay the impact!
If we don't make it over the cliff, we'll be first to hit the ground!
We're not gonna make it!
How do we steer this thing? There's no way to change the airflow!
Change the airflow! Change the airflow!
Woody, you're a genius!
Everybody, we need to slow this plane down!
Well, I don't think our dabbing is enough!
Tape it, please! Wake up!
David! You're back!
I think we're gonna make it!
Thank you for catching them, Ground! They could have hit the ground!
Team Beep, one of you is going away.
You guys, you can just do whatever you want. I don't know.
Vote in the comments using the letter and square brackets under who deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show.
And don't forget
Glad to have two legs again. Glad to be an next again.